The object of the lesson today is collaboration and why it's important. It's important because it's a lifelong skill that you're going to be able to use as you grow into your adult life. So it's something you're going to use quite often throughout your educational career and when you're an adult. The discussion question that I included was, why is it important to learn how to collaborate with a group and work with a group at this point in our lives? I chose 10 resources that actually more probably are appropriate for the business world, but I thought they were good resources that you could get started learning about now so that when you are in the business world later on, you can use what you've learned from those videos. And as far as how we can use collaboration in real life, I believe it's something that we can use every day. It's something that we need to do in school, at home. If and when we get a job, we'll have to collaborate. And it's not going to be something that you can do where you can say to your boss, "Oh, I can't work with that person." We need to learn the skills on how to work with that person and work with our classmates and our coworkers early on in our lives. So it is a very important skill to learn how to collaborate with other people.